Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another review video. After all the rain that we've been having, I've got to go and clean some gutters. So I went to Bunnings. Today we will be taking a look at this and we'll see how well it works. Okay, there's some details. This did cost $9.98 at Bunnings. Now this basically looks like a miniature shovel with some drain holes in the bottom there that you can probably see there. It's made of plastic, actually I think it says polypropylene, and it does come with a lifetime guarantee. I guess you're not really going to break it cleaning out gutters. Now it does say here designed for Australian gutters, and it's nice and flat down the bottom there so you can clean the gutters out. Drainage holes for excess water, and you can see them there. Scraper end for narrow areas. As you can see there's a bit of a miniature shovel on this end, so I guess you can use it that way or that way. And it's got extra long handle for greater reach. Well, you know, I suppose it's good enough for cleaning out gutters. Let's go and try it out. We're back now for the final assessment of the gutter cleaning tool. Now I have been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I have completed quite a few jobs using it. And look, it does show some wear, as you can see here. And you certainly do know that I have been using it. Okay, there you go, that's what it looks like now. Look, it works well, it does the job. I don't know if all this wear and tear would be covered by the warranty, I doubt it. You can see quite a bit of wear there. And look, it does the job. It's earned its money over and over and over again. Like this was less than $10 at Bunnings. It does look a bit beat up now, but it's still got a lot of use left in it. It works, the drain holes work well. It does work well to pick up whatever you're picking up. And trust me, this end here comes in very, very handy, very handy. Okay, I'll use this part a lot. So you use it there to clean out most of the bigger stuff out of your gutter, and then you spin it around, and then you can use this part to clean out under the gutter braces or under the overhang, and it does really work. So look, would I recommend this? If you've got a home and you clean out the gutters of your home, best $10 you can probably spend. Very, very handy. I reckon, you know, you wouldn't want to clean out your gutters at home without one of these. I mean, there's various tools available, different ones. I'm happy with that. This is just the one they had there. And I like the fact that it's plastic, so it doesn't actually scratch or damage your gutters, unlike if you had something that's metal. They do sell metal ones, I believe. I've seen some metal ones, I'm pretty sure I have. I would not use a metal gutter tool or garden trowel on my own gutters or someone else's gutters. Okay, you don't want to be scratching the gutters causing rust issues. You've got enough problems as it is keeping your gutters in good shape. And yes, I do recommend this tool. It works great. It does what it's supposed to do. And if you're going to clean out the gutters on your home, to save yourself some money and time, get one of these for $10 and you won't be sorry, and you'll have it for years to come. Now if you've got any questions about this tool or anything else you saw in this video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the gutter tool, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.